Well, this is our inaugural trip with our new trailer. If you look in the back there, you kind of see some of it. It's a 2022 Mission Overland Summit. I hate that word. And we're going up to the UP to meet up with Wisconsin Overland Facebook group. It doesn't seem like a lot of people are going to show up, but it's something. We're going to be campgrounding it the first night in, what is it, Tim's Lake?
Yeah, Morgan Lake.
Tim's Lake, Wisconsin, somewhere around there.
Tim's Lake Road.
Tim's Lake Road on Tim's Lake.
So.
And we'll catch up with you there. So we're at what, Morgan Park? Campus proceed ahead, reservations only. Okay, I don't think we need to do the $5 entrance fee then.
I don't know, I guess we'll find out.
Park closed, turn, pack out refuse.
Take the next right to stay on Tim's Lake Road. Then your destination will be on the right.
Campground. Alright.
Now we're here. Ah, we made it. Where are we at? Morgan something.
Morgan Lake something.
And it's a pretty popular place. It's not a lot of our realm of wanting to be here, but it's close to where we're going
close
tomorrow.
to a lake, so we get out the traffic.
Yeah.
The stove in the sink works out fantastic.
The stove in the sink worked out fantastic, she says. And we put that together.
We'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, it's a party over that way.
They got music for everybody.
Yeah, it's just a regular campground, pretty close together. It's got trees and stuff, but I don't know. It's nothing I'd want to hang out in more than once ever. Rollin', 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 get your Nissan rollin'. It's a Pro 4X ride. Hi. We're with Wisconsin Overland.
Taking a right up here.
We're going on the Norway Truck Trail, I guess. We're not on that road, or not.
And there's, what, 5 vehicles?
Yeah, we're
See
on
how
a
this
group of
goes.
5. Not a single one's the same,
Nope.
which is nice. Gravel.
I think that was the trailhead.
I don't have any mud flaps on this trailer, so I won't be too close there.
Yeah, that's why I'm in the front. I just had my windshield replaced.
This is exactly why I haven't replaced my windshield yet.
So we're in the, what did I say, Crystal Falls State Forest?
Yep.
In the UP. On some forest roads. Apparently it turns into a 2-track sooner or later. We'll see. Elevation change.
I thought we
There's a trail. Just kind of hoping we go on that one.
I thought we were taking that 2-track. I think it's 4-wheelers.
We'll be taking a left up here. Israel, there is definitely a place to turn around, and this is all pretty much 2-track. A little more challenging than this gravel road, but not bad.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll be alright.
There's a couple of low-hanging branches here. I'm going to just plow through them. If you're not comfortable with that in your vehicle, let Jason know and he'll remove the tree for you.
pinstripes, so. Let's make sure it doesn't take the antenna off.
You cleared it, you're good.
Oh.
That was weird.
Yeah, it was the
Trailer? Yeah.
I forget that it's a little wider than me.
Keep coming across these little clusters of butterflies in the road, and I feel like I'm going to run over and crush them, but I always look in my rear view and they've dispersed.
Cindy?
Yeah?
You got spare keys?
No.
You shouldn't leave the car running then.
Did you lock?
No, I didn't.
Well, I do have the back window open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I realized that I forgot
Just, I recall being stranded on the freeway one time.
Yeah, I gotta get some mud flaps on this, I think.
I didn't see much flying, but of course it's gonna.
Yeah, when I was looking back, I was seeing quite a few rocks kicked up. So we're on another service road. Oh, this is the truck trail again. We were on a little offshoot, little out and back up the power lines. It was a neat little run, had a lot of mud. Seemed to be some illegal tracks from what she's saying. That's for 50-inch or less, but I can see coming out here on a weekday and no one giving a shit. Well,
now I am.
We're going to some private campground we got invited to by the people that run Wisconsin Overland, and it's looks like limited access.
A little tight.
A little tight with the trailer, but
It's fine.
I think we'll be alright. Now there is going to be a tree trimming fee for me to get to the top here.
Yeah, and I'm going to pause where I think you might want to get out and walk and see what would be best for your trailer, because there is just past the camp, there is a 2-track that goes down so you can drive around, but you might want to just walk it.
Hey, look, Sarah's here.
Howdy.
We were wondering if you were coming.
And Jason and his wife looks different, but
I grew up here. Yeah, I am a new addition to the family.